Wrapping up day one of the Bounce House Bosses Workshop. Super pumped. Cannot believe the turnout here. Everybody's having a good time. I'm having a good time. Just super grateful for everybody that came out. You guys are awesome. Learning a lot myself, networking, good food. Yeah, I can't wait to do this again next time.
The moment that I step inside in the warehouse, we are talking about marketing, operations. We are doing a lot of networks, so it's been really helpful. I totally recommend it to everybody who wants to grow their business.
So at the end of the day, what are you building your company for if you're not trying to leave something behind? Leave a mark into this world.
And what I love about Tariq and his crew and his staff is that they're more than willing to share all of that openly and honestly with whoever, whether or not they're members of Event Hawk or just members of the Bounce House community at large. Education's the key. And these guys do a really great job of bringing that to you.